Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Daniel De La Rosa. I'm a senior sales consultant here at BYD Global City. Now sir, ang i-review natin is ang BYD Sea Lion 6 DMI. So, hello everyone. Nandito tayo sa loob ng Sea Lion 6. As you can see, ito yung interior niya. For the Sea Lion 6, we have a 360 cameras with see-through mode. Now, this one is the front view. You also have rear view, left side, right side, even wider angles at the front, at the back, both sides. And then this one, pwede rin siya maging 360 mode or 3D mode. Yan. And then, tinatawag namin siyang see-through mode is because pwede nyo makita yung itsura ng kalsada sa ilalim. Even though wala siyang camera sa ilalim ng sasakyan, meron tayong ultrasonic na mga sensors. Kaya ang nangyayari is, kahit malayo pa lang, nakikita na or na-adapt na ng cameras yung view ng kalsada. So, pag dadaanan nyo siya, hindi nyo na kailangan mangamba, pwede nyo i-check kung paano kayo iiwas sa mga manholes. Also, we have a rotating head unit for the BYD Sea Lion 6. This one, basically ang nangyayari dito is depende siya sa preference ng mga driver. Usually gusto ng drivers naka-portrait, yung iba gusto nilang naka-landscape. Depende sa preference ng driver. And then, ang mga controls nito lahat is nandito na sa head unit. Now, if you want to control your air cons, andito yung blower natin. And then, nandito yung temperature natin. Also, Sea Lion 6 has a heating and then ventilated seats. So, as you can see, meron na tayong seats na leather. Now, equipped sila, it's either cooling or heating. Pwede sila maging ventilated or kung medyo naiinitan or nalalamigan kayo, pwede naman heat. Also, meron tayong tinatawag na wireless charging for the BYD Sea Lion 6. I-place nyo lang dyan. 2 phones pwede. And then if ever na hindi naman po pwedeng wireless charging, we still have ports sa ilalim ng sasakyan. And then as you can see, this one is a DMI. So you have a choice if you want to use the car full electric or you can use it as hybrid mode. So basically, ang nangyayari dito sa Sea Lion 6 DMI is running siya ng pure electric. But once na na-reach mo na yung certain speed, pwede siyang mag-shift ng hybrid if you want. Ang minimum or maximum na pwede siyang mag-shift to EV to hybrid is 70 kilometers per hour and above. Also, you can see here, NFC. This one, lahat ng BYD is equipped ng NFC cards. NFC card is just a card like ATM. You can tap it and then you can tap it for lock and unlocking the car. Also, you can put it here if ever you want to use it for starting the car or turning off the car. Also, Sea Lion 6 DMI has a sunroof. This one's for the vents and then you can open it at the back. So here guys, we're here at the trunk space of our Sea Lion 6. This one has a 552 liters trunk capacity. As you can see, medyo malaki naman siya. Now guys, usually magtatanong kayo is paano yung spare tire? Now, ang mga hybrids and EV natin now is wala na silang mga spare tire, but we have a tire repair kit. We have a tire inflator. Also, you have your tire sealant. Usually, ang nangyayari dito is hahanginan mo yung gulong kasama na agad yung tire sealant. So, once na nahanginan na siya, pwede mo na siyang itakbo up to 60 kilometers per hour, but mas safe pa rin if dadalhin mo siya sa vulcanizing. Also, you have your early warning device, tow hook if ever na kailangan talaga. Now, meron tayong isang magandang function. This one is what we call V2L, vehicle to load. Now, nangyayari dito is i-charge mo siya or pa-plug mo siya sa kotse. Yung other end niya is extension. So, if nasa outing ka or camping, pwede mong saksakan to ng mga appliances up to 220 volts. Another one is, syempre, merong mga taong ayaw nila nakikita yung loob ng trunk. So, pwede natin silang takpan. Pero kung ayaw nyo rin naman, pwede siyang tanggalin. Since yung mga chair natin is foldable sila ng 60 by 40. If ever na nag-golf kayo, pwede kayong maglagay. Or if meron kayong mga luggages na malaki, pwede nyo rin siyang ilagay. If ever na hindi naman kailangan, pwede nating ibalik yung upuan, pwede nating ibalik tong shade, and then ganun kaganda ang likod ng Sea Lion 6. Nandito naman tayo ngayon sa labas ng BYD Sea Lion 6. As you can see, meron tayong color dito na gray. Ang tawag namin dito is Harbor Gray. Now, we have 3 colors for Sea Lion 6. We have Arctic White, we have Stone Gray, and then we have Harbor Gray. Now, this one is Harbor Gray. And then as you can see, sir, naka-LED lights na tayo. Lahat ng lights ng BYD, sir, is naka-LED na sila now. Ang number 1 na maganda sa kanila, meron silang system na follow me home kung tawagin. Then also, for the rims and the tires, ang rim size natin is 19. Ang tires naman natin is 235 by 50. GT Tires, trusted brands. And then for this one, sir, we have a light pa rin dito. For signal lights, also nandito yung cameras nila for 360. Now, since BYD Sea Lion 6 is a plug-in hybrid, you have your charging port for your car. Now, this one is a AC charging, like that. Now, since merong mga charger na free sa BYD, we have 2.3 kilowatt. Also, we have 7 kilowatt charger for your BYD Sea Lion 6. And then, for the back naman, sir, syempre, LED lights pa rin. As you can see, one click lang din siya if you want to open the trunk. And then also, if you want to close it, one touch lang din siya. So guys, dito naman tayo sa loob or sa pinaka-engine bay kung tawagin ng Sea Lion 6. Now, as you can see, this one is a DMI, Dual Mode Intelligent. Meaning, you still have your engine, also you have your motors. Now, basically sa PMS, ang ginagawa lang nila is number 1, checking ng batteries, checking ng motors, checking ng engine, and then syempre yung mga filters natin for the aircon, coolants, mga brake fluids, under chassis. Number 1 dyan yung battery, is yung blade battery natin. Yun yung number 1 na check nila. So, additional pa guys sa Sea Lion 6 natin, since dual mode siya, pwede nyo siyang gamitin full electric or pwedeng hybrid mode. For the full electric, we have a 105 kilometer range, 1 full charge. Now, para naman sa gasoline natin, since 1.5 turbo engine siya, pwede nyo siyang gamitin, if full tank siya, pwede nyo siyang gamitin ng 1,000 kilometers. Ang capacity natin for the fuel is 60 liters. If gagamitin nyo is yung portable charger, 2.3 kilowatt. Charging estimate time niya is nasa 5 to 6 hours. Now, if ipapa-install nyo naman yung 7 kilowatt nyo na home charger, usually, ang charging time niya is 2 to 3 hours lang. So, once full charge, meron ka palaging 105 kilometer range. Once full tank, meron kang 1,000 kilometers na range. If ever extended naman or matipid kayo gumamit, up to 1,115 ang naging record nito, max. So, yun guys, once again, my name is Daniel De La Rosa. I'm a senior sales consultant here at BYD BGC. If you want guys to visit us, you can also visit us always Monday to Sunday. And then I have my Facebook page, Daniel De La Rosa, BYD Global City. My personal page or personal Facebook is Daniel De La Rosa. Guys, if you want to check, pwede kayo pumunta dito, pwede kayo mag-reserve, pwede tayo mag-test drive and all. Thank you.